While it feels great to move across vast landscapes at breathtaking speeds, the countryside flashing by your window in a blur, it's not all shiny with high-speed rails. What used to be a day-long journey now takes mere hours, all thanks to the promise of high-speed rail. Those sleek trains whispering along steel tracks, captivating the world for decades. But it's not just about speed. High-speed rail represents more. It's a symbol of technological prowess, economic strength, and a nation propelling forward. From Asia to Europe and even across the sprawling cities of America, governments invest billions into these grand projects, convinced they're shaping the transportation networks of tomorrow. Yet, here's the twist. The reality of high-speed rail is far more complex than glossy brochures suggest. Have we been sold a dream destined to derail? Our journey begins in 1960s Japan with the iconic Shinkansen, or bullet train. It wasn't just about speed, it was about Japan's resurgence post-World War II. The Shinkansen became a symbol of innovation, efficiency, and national pride. Linking Tokyo with cities like Osaka and Kyoto, it propelled businesses and knit the nation closer together. Japan showcased not just progress, but a cultural identity on the move. Countries like France and Germany eyed Japan's success and thought, why not us? France unleashed its TGV, Germany, its ICE, creating a web of high-speed connections across the continent. The European Union saw beyond mere travel. They envisioned breaking down borders, facilitating trade, and forging a unified Europe. And let's admit, there was a bit of friendly rivalry too, each nation vying for the fastest, most sophisticated system. Fast forward to the millennium, and China stunned the world with its high-speed rail explosion. From virtually nothing to thousands of miles of track in a blink, it was unprecedented. Even car-loving America caught the bug, with California planning a sleek system to link its major cities. High-speed rail wasn't just a trend, it was a global phenomenon reshaping how we moved. But amidst the hype, reality set in, and it wasn't pretty. Let's talk money, because these dreams don't come cheap. Turns out, laying down miles of track, acquiring land, and constructing fancy stations rack up bills faster than a speeding train. Initial estimates of a few billion soon skyrocket to tens, even hundreds of billions. Take California, for instance. What was supposed to be a $30 billion project is now potentially over $100 billion. And then there's politics, the wild card in any grand project. High-speed rail isn't just about engineering feats, it's a dance with bureaucrats, stakeholders, and competing interests. In the US, for example, high-speed rail projects can become political footballs, tossed around with changing administrations and shifting priorities. What starts as a visionary plan can get bogged down in debates, delays, and funding disputes, leaving tracks unfinished and dreams deferred. The promise of greener travel. But is it really that simple? While high-speed rail touts its eco-friendly credentials, the reality isn't always clear-cut. Construction itself can be resource-intensive, with land clearance and concrete pouring leaving an environmental footprint. And then there's the question of ridership. Will enough people ditch their cars and planes for the train? It's a balancing act between reducing emissions and ensuring the trains run full, a puzzle yet to be fully solved. Sure, high-speed rail sounds flashy, but what about the basics? Many countries find themselves grappling with aging infrastructure in desperate need of repair. High-speed rail becomes a shiny distraction, drawing resources and attention away from crucial maintenance and upgrades. It's like building a fancy new wing on a crumbling mansion, impressive on the surface, but the foundation remains shaky. The future of high-speed rail. So, where does that leave us? High-speed rail, once the darling of futuristic visions, now faces a reality check. It's a testament to human ambition and ingenuity, but also to the complexities of modern transportation. The dream may have hit some bumps along the way, but the journey is far from over. As we hurtle into an uncertain future, one thing is clear. High-speed rail isn't just about speed, it's about the challenges, the triumphs, and the lessons learned along the way. Whether it's Japan's pioneering spirit, Europe's cross-border ambitions, or China's rapid ascent, the story of high-speed rail is a testament to the relentless pursuit of progress. even when the tracks ahead seem uncertain.